Do your photos sometimes look too warm or too cool on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? You can fix this by using white balance control. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open the Camera Assistant app. As a note, you can also access Camera Assistant through the Camera app setting. Scroll down the screen. Under the Photo section, tap Advanced Photo Mode Controls, then enable White Balance Control. Now open the Camera app in Photo mode. Tap the White Balance icon at the top. By default, it's set to auto, but you can switch to manual. When you turn off auto, you can adjust the slider to make the image look warmer or cooler. You can also adjust the tint to fine-tune the color. This is useful if your photo looks too yellow, too blue, or just not natural. And that's how you fix photo color using white balance control on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.